Hello everyone and welcome to another Diets and Doodles video. Snacks are a great way to stay full during the day and nourish our bodies with many nutrients. Some basic snacks I usually have during the day are things like a piece of fruit, a piece of vegetable or some yogurt. However, snacks have also become foods enjoyed during social events such as when friends are over, at parties or when having a movie night. These snacks, however, tend to be nutrient poor and high in energy, which is okay if you enjoy that on occasion. But school holidays are nearing closer and many families and their children, and let's be honest, us adults too, have been spending more time at home, meaning more board game and movie nights together and more opportunities to indulge in those sometimes foods. That's why I, the one and only Diets and Doodles, your friendly YouTube dietitian, like and subscribe for more content by the way, is giving you some ideas for an amazing, giant, healthy, tasty and pretty snack board to wow your friends and get your children chomping down on those nutrient-rich foods they generally would need to be fed by IV tube. They'll never see it coming. What even is this script like? These snacks are the easiest things ever. Okay. So let's look at the ingredients I have for today. I bought some celery, carrots and red capsicum, but you can use any vegetables you like, some whole grain crackers, some air popped popcorn, which is a great alternative to chips because 10 chips have the same amount of energy as 5 cups of popcorn. Some light Swiss cheese. I'm obsessed with cheese boards and having high fat cheeses sometimes is okay. This is a great alternative for a healthier board. And 4 different dips. When shopping for dips, try to get vegetable or legume based ones or ones that are high in protein and not too high in fats and saturated fats as well as sugars, so avoid those mayonnaise based ones. I'm also making some roasted chickpeas with 1 can of chickpeas, some olive oil spray and any seasoning of your choice. I like Cajun seasoning, so I'm using that. Let's get to cooking. To start off, I made the roasted chickpeas. Drain your chickpeas and pat them down with a paper towel. Place on a lined baking tray, spray with olive oil and season with some salt. You can skip the salt to reduce the sodium. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Mine needed a little longer, but they still turned out okay. Add your seasoning while they're still hot and you're done. To make the board, I cut up some celery into sticks by cutting them into thirds and then slicing down vertically. I also chopped up 2 red capsicum into sticks, and remember to snack on the head and bottom of the capsicum while you're working. It's great. Oh, and don't forget the carrots. I cut the carrots by slicing them in halves or thirds and similarly cutting into sticks. Next, get your giant board. I had to adjust the camera to fit this one, but you can use a normal reasonable sized one if you like, and I just placed everything on the board. Keep watching to learn my amazing snack placing skills. Don't worry, it requires no skill at all. I just placed 4 teeny bowls onto the board and scooped the 4 dips in. The dips I used are store-bought to show that healthy food doesn't need to take too much time or effort. However, I will make a healthy dip video in a future Meal Plan Monday video. Then line up the cheese, crackers and vegetables everywhere using nothing other than your hands and eyeballs. Something I tried to do was to not put 2 colors of vegetables right next to each other so the board looked more colorful. Comment below if you think that technique worked. Top with popcorn, remove the popcorn because you don't like it, and then top with popcorn again. And that's it. What do you guys think? This was just a short video showing you some ideas for a healthy snacking board that's easy to prepare at home. For more recipes and videos, make sure you click that subscribe button and follow me on my social media pages. And if you have any recommendations, suggestions or comments, leave them below. Bye!